Hey guys, another M2 video. Today we're going to be playing Flappy Bird, but this one's called Flap It Up, so whatever. There's two modes on it, and let's do it. We got normal mode and rotating mode. Think my high score on normal mode is 19, and my best score on rotating mode is 10. Let's go with normal mode, then maybe later rotating. Let's do this. Okay, I'm doing good. Okay. I haven't played this in a month. Oh! Really? That was pretty good. This is not going to be one of my long videos. It's going to be pretty short because I'm going to be picking up somebody right now. So, yeah. Gonna give it 2 more flaps and then I'm done. That was 1.
Okay.
No, I gotta retry because that was 0. Okay, 1 more try and then I'm done for promise. Listen out of that! So mad! Okay. Tilting it, sorry. And I have an awesome background of me. Look at that. Look at how beautiful and awesome that is. Okay, I guess I'm going to end this video. Have an awesome day. Bye, and be great. Whoops, forgot to end it.